Hello, assalamu alaikum to all of you guys. I hope you all are fine. Guys, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic with you all, and that is regarding beginners, the one who are beginning up on this field, and that is regarding video editing softwares that are best for a beginner. So, first of all, it's Lumen 5, a software which is helpful to add music, add and drop GIFs, screen grabs, and much more. In this software, you can create as many 480 pixel videos as you want to. In free version, you can create 480 pixel videos as much as you want. And if you want to become a VIP, $50 you need to give for your whole lifetime, and then you can become a VIP, and then you can create 1080 pixels videos as much as you want. So it's the best software for beginners. Then it is Nero Video. In $49 for lifetime, you get numerous effects for your videos, best for beginners, and the software is very user friendly. Best transitions are available over here in just $49 for lifetime. It also does not require much technical abilities, very easy, non-professional. So it's a best tool for the one who want to start off and who have no experience. They can easily use this Nero Video. Then it is Filmora, a multi-faceted software that is easy to use, comes with numerous filters, layers, motion elements, transitions, plenty of effects, sound effects, much more you can use in Filmora. Obviously you need to get a premium, and also you can use it in a free version. It's best for beginners. Then it is Adobe Premiere Element. It's an expensive software of $79 for lifetime, but the name reveals the effects it will contain for improving your video content. The name is telling. Adobe, the best software for editing, for designing, for manufacturing, for creation of videos. Adobe is really best, and the name itself revealing. Then it is Pinnacle Studio. Then it's Pinnacle Studio, a user-friendly software, best in speed and functionality in the software for your videos. You can create videos, you can put on layers onto it. $129 for lifetime. And I think $40, $30 for monthly basis, and for 6 months basis on annual basis as well. But for lifetime, $129. Because these softwares are going internationally. The videos are going internationally, so that's why they require premium. Then it is Adobe Premiere Pro, a complete piece of software for video editing all around, all kinds of, because it's not Adobe Premium, it's Adobe Premium Pro. It includes a Lumetri color tool that offers colors adjustment and manipulation. Flexible to use, multi-camera and coloring options are also available, and also a Lumetri color tool that makes your video and content more beautiful. $19.99 per month. That's the basis. Obviously your content is going across the world, all around, so it requires money. The software says that pay me, and then your content is going to pay you back. It's going to give you the same reward back. So guys, this was all for today. I shared with you for the beginners. These 6 softwares I've shared with you are best for beginners. It does not require any technical ability. They are best for beginners who wants to start off on designing, who wants to learn. They can learn from these softwares. And these softwares are not only for learners, also for professionals. Depends on how you make it. So this was all for today. I hope you would have liked my video regarding video editing softwares for beginners, video designing software for beginners. These 6 softwares, if you are having a good command onto these 6 or at least 3 of them, it means you have learned the core of designing, core of coding. And that's the beauty of coding and designing. So guys, if you have any suggestions regarding our videos, you can share with us in the comment box. If you want us to share any topic across to everyone, you can tell us in the comment box. Any suggestions you can tell us. Kindly subscribe our channel Software World, press the bell icon for more updates and notifications, like our videos. Thank you for watching.